In this video, we are going to see about SMT pair. In last video, we have seen about what is in the SMT. SMT is nothing but smart money technique, which I explained in the last video. We use in the forex market, the ICT create the SMT pairs. So last video I have teach about what is mean positive correlated and negative correlated. So now we are going to see about what is mean positive correlated and negative correlated. So now we are going to see about what is mean positive correlated and negative correlated. And so I am choosing the Euro USD and JBP USD pair for positive correlated. So first we are going to see about that. The first pair I have chosen for the positive correlated is Euro USD and JBP USD, which is mean if the Euro create an higher high, if Euro market create a higher high, and GBP USD also create a higher high. Why? Because the Euro USD and JBP USD, the market of Euro USD and JBP USD moves in the same direction. So why we are using SMT? If the euro does not break this, we think this is the fake manipulation. To find the fake manipulation, we using this SMT. How to draw the SMT? You draw the line which is like this and mark this as an SMT. So I use one of my major concept which is SMT. I use in my trading style, I use SMT. So I think you may understand what is SMT. SMT is known as confirmation for finding a manipulation in the market. So if euro moves higher high and then the GBP USD also moves higher high. So we can easily find the SMT. So now we are going to see in negatively correlated pair. In last video, I have teached about the negatively correlated pair, which means when euro USD is in uptrend, okay, and USD JPY in downtrend. So if euro JBP create an higher high, then the euro USD JPY create a lower low. So which is known as negatively correlated pair. Why? Because when positive correlated pair is known as when euro makes higher high, JBP also makes higher high. In negatively correlated pair, when GBP USD create a higher high and USD create a lower low. So opposite. It here GBP USD create higher high is known as SMT, and here forward if here higher high form, and here also we need to form a higher high. If does not form, it is known as manipulation. To find the manipulation, the ICT created this concept as an SMT. So now I am going to teach you about types of pair including the SMT. Take your notes. Please take a note. The positive correlated pair are Euro USD and JBP USD, Euro USD and AD USD, Euro USD and New Zealand dollar, USD and CHF and New Zealand dollar, and Australian dollar USD and New Zealand dollar. Okay. Euro and negatively correlated pair I have explained above. You can watch that. So now we are going to see negatively correlated pair Euro USD and USD CHF and JBP USD and USD JPY and USD CAD and AD USD and USD JPY and AUD USD. So I think you may understand what is meant by SMT and how does it work and types of pair included in the forex. If you have doubt in this SMT concept, you can mention the comment section. Thank you.